Welcome to water bath canning. It's ideal for high-acid veggies like cucumbers. Let's make some delicious pickles. Like with pressure canning, remember to sanitize the jars and lids to keep your canned goods free from bacteria. Next, wash your cucumbers thoroughly. We want them clean and ready for pickling. Slice your cucumbers into the desired shape. Even slices ensure uniform pickling. Let's start our pickling solution with 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, which adds a tasty, tangy flavor. Pour in 2 cups of water to the vinegar. This dilutes the vinegar, making it perfect for pickling. Add 1/2 cup of sugar. The sugar helps balance the acidity and adds a pleasant sweetness to your pickles. 1 tablespoon of pickling salt enhances the flavor and aids in preservation. Finally, drop in your pickling spices. This recipe includes 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds and 2 garlic cloves for a unique flavor profile. Stir to combine all the ingredients. Our pickling solution is now ready for the cucumbers. Pack the cucumber slices into your sanitized jars. Make sure they're snug but not too tightly packed. Pour the pickling solution over the cucumbers, covering them completely. Place the lids on the jars and tighten them securely. A good seal is essential when water bath canning. Gently place your jars into the boiling water bath on your stove. The water should cover the jars by at least an inch. Process the jars in the boiling water bath for the time recommended for pickles. This will ensure they are correctly preserved. Carefully take out the jars and let them cool on the countertop. You'll hear a pop when they seal. Label your jars with the canning date. This helps you remember when you made these delicious pickles. Water bath canning is an ideal way to preserve high-acid vegetables. It's easy and effective and gives you yummy pickles for months. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of preserving vegetables. We hope you found these methods helpful and easy to try at home. And if you've got some cool tips or questions, please drop a comment below. Your insights and experiences are what make this community awesome. If you liked this video, show us some love with a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fantastic content. Your support keeps these videos coming. Stay tuned for more delightful and practical guides on sustainable living. See you next time.